President. Very nice to see you.
No, mora na kilka tak. No, no, most.
No, Robert Keeper. He is always complaining about something. I'm not. Always rightly so. Thank you for your great engagement in the previous 4 years.
And this is also North Macedonia.
This is family.
I cannot compete with you.
How are you? Thank you very much.
Kaži me, Federico najviše voli s tobom da se ljubi. Diže se pravi da ne razume srpski, priča srpski preko... Si vidio Milo što se pravi?
Take a photo? Well,
Mi moramo nazad. Nema.
Vaša.